Hey everybody, welcome back to Better Computer. My name is Matt, and this is going to be a very quick video looking at a brand new keyboard from Keychron. So my favorite keyboard from Keychron is the Q1. I think this is a great keyboard that you can take apart. It's built to be taken apart and rebuilt how you want. I've really made it a really satisfying keyboard for me. I like this one quite a bit. I actually love that keyboard. I really like that keyboard a lot. If you're more just looking to get into mechanical keyboards for the first time, but you want all the customization and reprogrammability that mechanical keyboards can offer you, the K8 Pro I think is a really good option. I think this one is a really great one for your first mechanical keyboard. And then there's this, which just came out. This is the Keychron C3 Pro, and it's kind of interesting because it's not my favorite. I don't really know who this is for, but I wanted to make a quick video about it because, yeah, this one kind of surprised me. Okay, so let's talk about the good things. The first good thing is the price. Again, $35 is worth mentioning again. That's the lens to look at this through. It's not going to replace the keyboards that I'm using, but at 35 bucks, it's hard to find a better deal on a keyboard that actually feels pretty decent to type on, and this does feel pretty decent to type on. Part of that is due to the fact that it's a gasket mounted, so it has gaskets in there that have a little give when you press down on it, makes the typing experience a little nicer in my opinion, so that's a nice thing. I also like some of the lights up here. It'll tell you if it's in Windows or Mac layout at the moment, as well as a caps lock button. I would kind of like not to see the Mac and Windows one all the time, but it is what it is. Along back, we have a USB-C connection, so it's wired only, which isn't a big deal for me, but maybe for you. It's wired only, USB-C, comes with a cable in the box, and then there are kind of these rails along the back, so you can have the cable come out the back, the left, or the right, depending on what works best for your setup. And then there are some rubber feet on here, as well as some adjustable feet to angle it up if you want. There's 2 additional angles for whatever you like. It also has the media keys up here, works great, and then if you don't like the layout for any reason, you want to get your own custom keycaps, you can obviously put those on here, and you can change the layout with VIA or GMK, which is great. But how is the typing experience? The typing experience is kind of in the middle. It's not the best thing in the world, it's not the worst thing in the world. I'll just do a typing test here so you can hear what it sounds like, but I would say it feels okay. It's not the best in the world, but it feels okay to type on. I'd rather type on this than something like an Apple Magic Keyboard, but it's not the best mechanical keyboard I've ever used. Okay, and then the bad things about it. So there's basically 3 things that are all deal breakers for me, but they might not be for you. So the first thing for me that is an issue is just the build quality and the looks of it. It's made of plastic, this black plastic, which is fine, but you know, for 35 bucks, you shouldn't really expect more, but I don't love that personally, so that's one reason I won't be using it on my desk. The second thing that is annoying about it is it's not hot swappable, so you can't actually change out the switches without getting, like, cracking the whole thing open and getting some solder going, which is going to make it basically something no one's going to do with this, and that's fine. It's not the end of the world, but I would like that flexibility to kind of be able to upgrade this in the future. And then the third thing is the backlight, which is not RGB. I haven't just chosen to use red. It's a red light. So that's it. The only color option you have is red, which is definitely not my aesthetic, but if it is yours, then that's not an issue. But yeah, just a limitation there. There's some patterns you can do. You can totally turn it off if you like as well. I have it turned off when I'm using it myself, but yeah, the red backlight is just not for me. So those are kind of the issues with it, but I do like that it can be reprogrammed with VIA. I do like the typing experience is decent, and the price point of 35 bucks is undeniably excellent. So it's definitely not the best keyboard in the world. I don't know if anyone watching this video is ever going to buy one of these, but the price point was just so low I had to check it out. So hopefully this was helpful if you were thinking about it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.